Good morning all. Today you all will learn alphabets with their phonic sound. So let's start. A, and the phonic sound of A is A. A for apple. B, phonic sound of B is B. B for ball. C, phonic sound of C is K. C for cat. D, phonic sound of D is D. D for dog. E, phonic sound of E is A. E for egg. F, phonic sound of F is F. F for fish. G, phonic sound of G is G. G for gun. Gun. H, phonic sound of H is H. H for hat. I, phonic sound of I is E. I for igloo. J, phonic sound of J is J. And J for jug. K, phonic sound of K is K. K for kite. L, phonic sound of L is L. L for lamp. M, phonic sound of M is M. M for monkey. N, phonic sound of N is N. N for nut. O, phonic sound of O is O. O for owl. P, phonic sound of P is P. P for parrot. Q, phonic sound of Q is Q. Q for queen. R, phonic sound of R is R. And R for rabbit. S, phonic sound of S is S. S for sun. T, phonic sound of T is T. T for tub. U, phonic sound of U is A. U for umbrella. V, phonic sound of V is V. V for van. W, phonic sound of W is W. W for watch. X, phonic sound of X is X. X for box. Y, phonic sound of Y is Y. Y for yak. Z, phonic sound of Z is Z. And Z for zip. Kids, read letters with their phonic sound. It will help you in reading. Okay?